Welcome to Wood Care and Maintenance the Woodoc way. This video demonstrates how to apply Woodoc Colours to new wood. For this job you'll be needing sandpaper, a sanding block, soft cloth, a brush, stirring spatula, Woodoc Colours and Woodoc Water-Borne floor sealer. You'll find the instructions wrapped around your Woodoc Colours container. Simply unwrap to reveal the instructions. Next, place the colours description onto the mixing container so that you know what colour it is. To prepare the surface, firstly sand it down with 80 to 100 grit sandpaper. Always sand with the grain for a smooth finish. Smooth the edges off to remove any splinters. Now, wipe down the surface with a dry cloth to remove all of the dust. Shake the colours bottle well before adding it to the sealer. Add all of the colour contents to the sealer. Use a spatula and stir into the corners at the bottom, making sure you mix the contents thoroughly. Mix until all the colours are well blended with an even appearance. Never shake the tin, as this will create air bubbles in the sealer which ruin the finish after application. Never dip the brush too deeply into the sealer. This will avoid excess drips and runs. Beginning at one end, apply the sealer to the wood, always working with the grain. This will help to ensure an even, smooth finish. If you notice any dry spots, then apply more sealer to those areas. Once the surface is completely dry, then give it a light sand with a fine 250 grit sandpaper. Remove all of the dust with a clean, dry cloth. Stir the sealer thoroughly before and during application. Working with the wood grain, apply the second coat in exactly the same way as the first coat, working the brush in one direction. Make sure that you cover the entire surface with the second coat. When the second coat is completely dry, lightly sand it again with fine 250 grit sandpaper to give a smooth finish. Wipe off all traces of dust and keep the container closed between applications. Stir the contents again before and during the application of your final coat. Apply long brush strokes for a smooth, even finish. If you've achieved the desired colour after your first or second coats, then apply clear coats of Woodoc Water-Borne floor sealer to complete the Woodoc 3-coat application. This demonstrates the difference between the first, second and third Woodoc coats. Remember to always follow the instructions on the tin and always apply 3 coats.